Antibiotics have saved the lives of millions of people and have contributed to the gains in life expectancy over the last century. However, there is a need to focus on alternative sources of antibiotics as the clinical efficiency of many existing antibiotics is being threatened by the emergence of multi-drug resistant MDR pathogens. These are also called as superbugs. Infectious diseases caused by resistant microorganisms are associated with prolonged hospitalization, increased cost, and greater risk for morbidity and mortality. Hence, the resistant problem demands that a renewed effort should be made to screen naturally occurring compounds of their antibacterial activities. In order to screen selected plant samples for their antibacterial activity, the present study was conducted.
The plant samples selected for antibiotic sensitivity assay were garlic, ginger, Helictis isora and lemon. The plant samples were washed thoroughly with distilled water and crushed to make fine paste. They were extracted in distilled water and methanol. The mixtures were filtered using syringe filters. Then, the filtered samples were diluted in DMSO. Disc agar diffusion method was implemented in which nutrient agar plates were used for antibiotic sensitivity assay. Nutrient agar was used as it is a basic media compatible for various strains of bacteria. Thereafter, nutrient broth was used for preparation of suspension culture in which selected strains of bacteria were inoculated. Suspension culture was sprayed on nutrient agar plates by using sprayed plate method. Thereafter, 3 wells were bored by using cork borer to load plant sample, ampicillin and DMSO. Then the plates were incubated for 24 hours. After incubation, the plates were observed. The antibacterial activity was measured in terms of diameter of the zone of inhibition. It was noted that among the selected samples, only garlic showed the antibacterial activity against selected strains of bacteria. On analysis of the result, it was decided to use garlic for further studies.